quick video to show you how email marketing is working in Odoo. So let's go straight into this app. First, to give you a quick overview, you have a menu here on the left top corner. First tab is basically to go to your dashboard, basically the screen you see here. Then you have access to all your list of contacts. In this case, you can whether use contacts that you have already in your Odoo, which is probably the best way to use it. But if you have contacts from a different software, a different app, you can also import it and create your own list into Odoo. So that's very handy. You also have some reporting functionalities, and you can also access your configuration and settings in here. As per any other apps as well in Odoo, you can actually filter any fields that you want and group by. So if this is something that is a bit easier for you to manage your campaigns, you can do this and save your search and make it even eventually your favorite. So it's always the view that you see when you enter the app. If you don't like the list view, you also have a Kanban view, eventually to see the different stages of the campaigns. And you also have a calendar view, very handy when it comes to email marketing. Personally, I like the list view, so I'm going to go back to this. Here, as you can see, we have two email campaigns in queue. So they are planned, but they have not been sent yet. I'm just going to click on the first one to give you a quick overview. So this one is planned to be sent out on the 25th of October at 11 o'clock. And the subject is new shop opening. I'm sending it to my mailing list newsletter. So this is actually a template from Odoo. I didn't really change it. But of course, this is something that you can totally customize in standard Odoo. Here, I've decided to do some A/B testing. So I want to send two different versions to 10% off my contact list. And on these two samples, the send-out that will have the highest open rate will be the one used to send to the other 90% of contacts. This is optional and not necessarily something that you need to do, but of course, if you do it, you need to create an alternative version. You can also add a few more things. So in my case, I added a preview text, and you can also change the send from or reply to emails. So if they are different, that's actually quite handy as well. You can add this and change it in here as well. All right. As you can see, all the results are really clear and easy to see. So you have it on the dashboard here. You can see number of emails sent, delivered, opened, clicked, replied. But then when you click on the campaign, you even have more data. For example, the bounce rate, which is really important in email marketing. So let's create a new emailing campaign together just to see how it looks like. So this one is going to be our newsletter for October. We are going to send it to the same mailing list. But again, if you wanted to use something else, it's very easy to set this up in Odoo. And here I'm going to choose another template that Odoo is suggesting me. But here I'm going to make a few changes. So for example, I don't really like the red color. So I'm going to apply something rather blue. Here, I don't really need this access to social media. I'm going to remove it. But rather, I wanted to add an image. I feel it's very, very text heavy. So here, if I want, I can just add this block, for example. So this is a little bit how, just to show you a little bit how you can customize very easily your emails. And on top of this, you can use AI to improve your text or have different versions that you can just insert very quickly into your email. So very, very easy. I'm going to insert this version, for example. And then once I am done with the changes on the template, I can just leave it as is. And then again, choose the A/B testing if I wanted to. In this case, no. And also change the settings. Then a few more features that you have that are super handy. You can schedule the send out, so choose the date and exact time when you want to send it. In my case, I'm happy to send it now. You can also test it just to see how it looks like on laptop, mobile, send it to yourself basically before actually sending to potential customers. And if you really like a template, you can add it to your templates. So next time you can actually find it back very easily with all your branding colors. And then it's just a matter of sending it. And that's it. So as you can see here, now it's in queue, it's going to be sent out, but that's basically how it would work. As simple as that. Thank you so much.